Are you eating food or are you eating poison? Today I'm going to be discussing the topic of GMOs, and this is something I feel pretty strongly about, so try to keep it respectful in the comments. Everybody has their own opinion, everybody has their own belief about things. So if you didn't know, GMOs are genetically modified organisms. These are plants or animals that have been genetically engineered with DNA from bacteria, viruses, or other plants and animals. And these things don't happen in nature naturally, they happen in a lab, and it's not a natural process. GMOs affect farmers, the environment, and bees. Specifically for bees, GMOs have been killing our bees. That is where they're going. They're being killed by Monsanto. And the reason for this is because of the systemic pesticides, these new pesticides that bees are bringing in the form of pollen back to their hives, and the next generation of bees is ingesting these toxins and they're killing them. They're affecting their central nervous system, their immune system, everything that keeps their bodies fighting against bad things. They're just killing the bees off. And if you don't care about bees' health, or you're just like, well, why would I care about bees? Bees, if you don't know, I'm sure most people know, we need them for, if you have a garden, you need bees. We need them to keep crops growing. You know, like we would have to go and pollinate everything ourselves if we didn't have bees. Bees disappearing is a really scary thing, and it should really be taken seriously. Most developed nations don't consider GMOs to be safe. In more than 60 different countries, GMOs are heavily restricted or just outright banned, but not in America. Why? Why aren't these products labeled so we can know what's GMO, what's not GMO? We are thankful for the non-GMO project, but what about everything else? Everything else, how are we supposed to know what is genetically modified? What are we actually eating? Where's our food coming from? How is it made? Well, unfortunately, biotech industry, specifically Monsanto, a biotech corporation, is fighting against GMO labeling. And you are too if you buy their products. They own the seeds. They've got everything. When you own the seeds, you're owning what's growing, and you're owning what's going out into the supermarkets for people to eat. In the US, GMOs are in as much as 80% of conventional processed food. Now there are some big risk crops, and those would be alfalfa, canola, corn, cotton, soy, papaya, sugar, zucchini, and yellow summer squash. Those are the big ones that are most likely GMO. If you see them in your food or you're buying them conventionally and not organic, there are also a lot of ingredients that are derived from GMO crops. And sure, the only exact definite research we have on GMOs may be from animals and not humans. There are other scientific studies, but if you think about it, there are a bunch of products and items that were once declared safe by doctors, experts, politicians, scientists, those being asbestos, BPA, cigarettes, DDT, leaded gasoline, mercury fillings, all of those things that were once declared safe. Fight for your right to choose what is safe for your family and what is not safe for your family. How are you going to trust these people that told you that these things were once safe and then they're declared unsafe and people are dying from them? So help make the change. Say no to GMO. If you stop buying these products, companies will stop producing them and farmers will stop growing them. See your conventional grocery store products for what they really are. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like it, share it, subscribe it, spread the word, say no to GMO, bring down Monsanto. Bye guys.